Hi, today I'm going to make you yoghurt, which is one of our most popular recipes within our savings calculator, and it's as easy as this. So we've just popped it onto our weekly planner. So in my week, so this is a really great recipe, really easy to make in your Thermomix, and it's an absolute great saving. And it's so simple with very few ingredients. So first thing is, it's asking us to place a bowl onto the lid and to weigh in some natural yogurt. So I've already done that, that's right here. And then I'm just going to set that aside. And now I'm going to add 1 litre or 1,000 grams of full cream milk. You can use the scales there to just help us weigh that in. We're going to bring the milk up to 80 degrees. This recipe is a fantastic recipe, and later on in the recipe you'll be able to add different flavours, strawberry, cocoa, and make all your own favourite flavoured yoghurts. Once your milk is warmed up, your next step is your machine will ask you to wait until it cools down to 45 degrees. And then we can add a little of the cooled milk into the reserved yoghurt that we've set aside. Then we can place this back in. We're just bringing the yoghurt to the same temperature as the milk so it doesn't split and curdle when it goes straight into the bowl. Add the milk powder, and this will just help thicken your yoghurt when setting. Add our caster sugar, and we give that a quick mix. And at this point is where you could have popped in your vanilla essence or any flavourings to have that flavoured yoghurt. And then you can transfer straight into a Thermoserver. We like these are insulated, they hold the temperature really well in the Varoma as the yoghurt starts to ferment. And you can get this by hosting a cooking experience, so reach out to your consultant. Once you've rinsed your mixing bowl, the next steps are just easy as adding the water, as the Thermomix tells you, and the lemon juice, and then we can pop the lid on the top and place the Varoma with our Thermoserver onto the lid. There's heaps of recipes on Cookie Doo where you could use the yogurt jars, or you can make your yogurt directly into your mixing bowl. Plenty to try. And here we have the fermentation mode. This will run for approximately 10 hours, so you can set it at night, forget about it, go to sleep, and wake up in the morning with beautiful yogurt. So making yogurt is as easy as that with your Thermomix. And there's heaps of recipes on there that you can make of your own. And these can be used in your tandoori chicken, in a yogurt dressing, or even a yogurt cake. So heaps of recipes where you can use your homemade yogurt, which has cost you pennies.